Hi, I'm Monica Badani, Tarot card reader, spiritual healer. So let's talk about Capricorn's July predictions 2020. Let's see what's stored for Capricorns. Let me remove 3 cards. Okay, there is a lot of a major big shift happening in the month of July for Capricorns. It's a very major shift. You will find a lot of shifts happening. Financially, it's very good. Financially, the news will be very good. You will receive a lot of financial good news from different parts. Maybe your money has been blocked somewhere. You have not been able to get that money back. Maybe there are chances of someone returning you your money, or something in your life coming major, like something about financial good news that is expected, because I see a very good news positive card for finance. Okay, but yes, in spite of all this, you may face a lot of hurdles, in your first half of month. But don't let it lower your confidence, as whatever you have chosen at present, it will look, it's not good, but it is a very good venture. Just hold on to it, because at the end of the month, you will see the progress and you will benefit from it. You will start benefiting from it. So just focus on your work, go out and just complete your project, do venture out. Okay, family atmosphere at home will be good, but in spite of that, there are chances of little bit of difference of opinion may arise at home with your family members or with your partner. So sort the situation very fast, amicably, and close the matter, because sometimes you are pulling that, it will lead to disharmony. So close that matter, sort the situation. Okay, one more thing, I see some type of not theft or something you losing out. So just be careful, don't be careless with your belongings. Be very vigilant about it, as there are chances of you losing something. So be very careful about your things, personal things. As you Capricorns have very much inbuilt, energy in y'all, inbuilt talent, I could say, that y'all can do 3-4 multitask. You can multitask 3-4 tasks at a time. You're a multitasker. So there are chances of you involved in handling in 2-3 businesses. So my suggestion is be careful, or you may face some type of minor loss in one of the business, maybe due to your not overconfidence, but just not paying attention. So if you are handling 2-3 venture, please pay attention to all 2-3 businesses. Okay, about your eating diet, I would suggest have green leafy vegetables. I see a lot of green color in your card, so I would suggest have green leafy vegetables and intake of ginger and turmeric in your diet. It would help you a lot. It will boost your immunity, and little minor ailments also will stay away from you. As a turmeric is known as a detoxifier, and ginger helps in balancing your body. So just have ginger, add this in your diet. And let's see, students, you will maybe get some type of good news in your academic. You're waiting for something which you are not happy, which you are not getting the result. You'll find something good coming in your way. Maybe you will, chances of taking up extra curricular activities also there for you, because you would like to be busy. So for students and children, take care of your elders, because elders need little extra attention. Okay, now let's talk about mudra. I told you I'll be giving you a surprise thing, which is a mudra, which we all know. Basically, we all are aware about mudras. So before mudra, I'll just give you a brief, I will let you know. See, our body is made up of 5 elements: Agni, Vayu, Akashi, Bhumi, Jala. 5 tattva जिसे हम कहते हैं. We all know that. So whenever there is a disturbance in our body suffers from disease and an imbalanced mind. So how will this mudra help? So mudra produces harmony among all body parts, as well as correct functioning of the whole body, entire body. All body parts, harmony is created if there is harmony among all, even if there is harmony, we need harmony in our environment, in our office, at everywhere we like to be in harmony. So you have to do this mudra just for 15 minutes daily. You can break it up in 5 minutes, and you can chant Om meditation, Om also, if you are into it, because Om is a universal mantra. And if no, then it's fine, you can just do this, what effect this mudra will have. Now this will ground your mind and allow you to stay focused, plus it will uplift your mood and you will have a clear thinking. So by doing just this way, by just holding this way and pay attention, focus on your first finger and just take a support, very gently press them and just hold, just sit this way. This will help to balance the energies of your body. Our body is always having a lot of energy. Sometimes it's very, very high, sometimes it's very low. This will balance the energy. We always have to have a balance in life, and it will ground you completely. So it will help you in your daily day-to-day activities. To do this mudra, leave your feedback. If you like my video, subscribe it, share it, and like it. Please do comment, give your feedback. Thank you.